Ito po ang DTF machine namin na Honjet. Ako po si Felix Maroda, DTF operator dito sa Robinsons ng Baliches branch. Araw-araw naman itong nagagamit na may 130 meters kaming na-run as of this week. Ito pang heads, capping 80% good and working. Head clean. Punasan wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ang ink system ay tama lang. Dising tank malinis every Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito naman po yung consumable. Inventory. Workload. Nagamit sa yellow. Magenta. Cyan. Powder. White ink. 30cm film. Cleaning solution. Black. Ito naman po ang daily maintenance checklist. Maraming salamat po.